Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making cream corn. For our ingredients, we have unsalted butter. We have a large shallot, garlic cloves. You could use fresh or frozen sweet yellow corn, heavy cream, sugar, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, milk, all-purpose flour, Parmesan cheese, and chopped parsley for garnish. So in our large cast iron skillet, we're going to melt the butter over medium-high heat. Next, we're going to add our diced shallot, and we're going to saute our shallot until it is soft and translucent and fragrant. And that's anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to add my garlic into my skillet, and I'm going to cook that for another 60 seconds. Now, once I am finished sauteing my garlic and my onions, now I'm going to add my frozen sweet yellow corn. Now I'm going to mix my corn up with my garlic and my shallot. Here I'm adding in my heavy cream. Next, I'm moving on to the sugar, salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and you want to stir to combine. And we're going to cook our corn for another 2 minutes. Next, what you want to do, you want to whisk together your milk and your flour until it is smooth. You want to slowly pour your mixture into your corn and stir to combine. You want to cook your corn and you want to stir constantly for about 6 to 7 minutes until your cream becomes thick. Once your cream becomes thick and heated through, you want to remove it from the heat and you want to stir your Parmesan cheese in until it has melted. And next you want to season your corn to your taste. And once your corn is cooked to your liking, you want to add your chopped parsley and cracked black pepper on the top. And we have made a Southern cream corn. Here we have made another lovely side dish, which is cream corn. This goes good with anything. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.